Mastering the Art of Body Language in English Introductions. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of greetings and introductions, specifically focusing on how to acknowledge introductions. A crucial part of this is understanding and using appropriate body language. Body language plays a significant role in communication, often as important, if not more so, than the words we use. Let's get started. When meeting someone for the first time, we don't just communicate with our words. Our body, gestures, facial expressions, and posture are also speaking on our behalf. That's body language. It often reveals how comfortable, attentive, or open we are to the interaction. It can set the tone of the conversation and make the other person feel acknowledged, welcomed, or rejected. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use body language appropriately when responding to introductions. First things first, let's talk about eye contact. When someone is introducing themselves to you, it's important to look them in the eye. This shows that you're engaged, interested, and respectful. But remember, it's about maintaining a comfortable level of eye contact. Too much can be perceived as staring, which may come across as aggressive or awkward. Now, let's focus on your posture. Stand tall and confident, but relaxed. Avoid crossing your arms or slouching, as this can make you seem uninterested or defensive. Instead, keep your arms relaxed by your sides or use them to gesture naturally as you respond to the introduction. Two small, simple actions can make a big difference in how your response is received. Nodding and smiling. A nod indicates that you're actively listening and understanding what's being said. Smiling, on the other hand, shows warmth and openness. Different cultures have different norms and interpretations when it comes to body language. For instance, the level of eye contact, the distance kept during a conversation, or the use of touch varies greatly across cultures. So, while the general rules we've covered apply widely, always remember to be mindful and respectful of cultural differences. And that's it for today. Remember, effective communication goes beyond words. Next time you're introduced to someone, keep these points about body language in mind. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try out these tips in your daily interactions. Remember, body language is a powerful tool in building connections and relationships. Hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for our next session, and keep improving your English.